Yo, what's going down, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Once again, we are out here about to give it to you raw and uncut, y'all. We're out here, we're gonna be doing some creek fishing. It's me, Marcelo. Y'all already see it. Getting off to a good start, y'all. We got Trace. Check that out, y'all. He got one on too. Man, it's going down, y'all. Stay tuned. Let's go.
That's Elise.
Nice.
You got him for me?
Nice, straight.
Ain't that one right up?
Hey, on the little jig though? On the little jig.
I'm gonna get it or you got it? Got it? Trace got a hurt hand, y'all, but he's out here still jacking jaws, y'all. Y'all see what's going down around here. Check it out, man. Check it out. Oop, got him. There it is. Fish number 2, baby. Let's get it going. Yep. I'm gonna put it right down there. Alright, y'all, we're gonna get up out there. They got theirs in. It's only right I get mine in. We out here doing this creek fishing, y'all. There he goes. He said try to catch him again. Yeah? Yeah, be careful, y'all. It's the second snake we done saw down here, y'all.
I need to set my drag better on that pool.
Ooh, gotta make sure too. There's all kinds of weird little holes around here. There it is, y'all. Got mine in. Got him. Got him, y'all. Yeah. Oh. Yeah, check it out, y'all. We are on. We are all on. Tearing it up under this creek, under this bridge. We're right here. We were just driving. Looked down, saw there was a creek, came down, and we're out here producing, y'all. Let's get it. Yeah. Yup. Came up on this spot. Came up on this spot. We're gonna go ahead and clean them on out right here. Yeah, I told you there was that snake over there.
Yes, he's chasing my lure.
Told you.
Huge snake, right?
I know. I seen it. That was the one. That's why I told you. I said, "You guys, be careful with that snake." You didn't hear me though, huh? There he is. Got him. Got me another one, y'all. Got one. Yeah. Nothing big, y'all, but picked them off. Fish number 2 on the Mini Max. Right here.
I'm using
Mini Max with the
oh look, kind of using the same trap.
with the 6 Sense Divine.
Where'd you catch?
Fish number 2 right here, baby.
You catching out there?
Yeah, I'm just casting right here, right along this bank right here.
Bugs are getting in the net.
Fish number 2.
Great spot right here. This is one of the best spots all day. Bugs right here in this grass.
I know, they keep getting my legs. See, I just threw out there, look. Way out there like this.
How much was the chatterbait on that other pool though, Dad?
Alright, y'all, I ran up to the car real quick to switch out my rods. Come back down. And Marcelo is already on.
First casting right now.
And Marcelo is already on. There you go. Got him. Yep. Right there. Oh. Got him, coach.
You can go deep because it's your chatterbait. I can't look.
Huh?
Do you have your scissors?
Yeah, I threw a Texas rig on.
Oh, for real?
Yeah. Alright, y'all, check it out.
Look,
We are tearing this spot up.
Hey, should I try this on my other one? Chatterbait?
Whatever you want. If you want, if you need to get to the trunk, the keys are in the trunk. I mean, in the bag, in the side pocket.
Why do I need the keys?
Oh, you brought your other pole with you?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, the crappie one, yeah,
There it is, y'all. What's this? Fish number 3, huh?
Yeah.
There it is. Fish number 3. Yeah, yeah. Oh, I got a snack. Hopefully that was a big fish. And a little snack. Gotta watch out for these damn snakes. Got one? Oh yeah, nice. Yes, sir. Nice.
It's like third, fourth fish.
On the chatter?
Yeah. Little chatterbait right here.
Came up. Trying to chat. He was trying to holler.
Yeah, I hooked him good. He was not going nowhere.
He was trying to holler for $1.
You got it out? The snap?
Here, hold on.
What?
Let's get you on the Instagram.
We still got riding his motorcycle on the sidewalk right here.
A little bit of good creek fishing. Never does us wrong.
Dang.
Oops.
Already?
All right, y'all.
Ready for this dive?
Let's do it. Let's see him do one of them swan dives. Boom. He got a 10. Nah, I wouldn't give him a 10. Actually, he actually was like a 6. I seen a splash. The splash was too big. All right, what y'all think? Let's fish it out for about another 5-10 minutes, and then let's hit something else up.
Alright.
I know there's another creek around here that wants to get fished out. I think we might have cleaned up around here.
I got it out, Dan.
You see Trace over there? He's going to extreme measures for the big girl. Alright, I think this thing is gonna sit. Yes, I got the other one in my pocket. This one's ripped up from that fish. We're gonna swap them out with a new one. Oops, pick that up. Boom, perfecto mundo. Dang, boy.
Casting right there, we're casting.
We're gonna head over to this next little creek and see what we can do. Come on. See what we could do. Try to wiggle in. This water's actually a little low compared to last time. Ooh, I got a bite. You got a bite. Be careful up in there, Trace. Don't go fall in this water, boy. There's gators in here. Damn. Are you serious? I lost my bait. I got snagged. Pull off. Come on, ready? Let's go. All right, y'all, what is going down? Check it out. Check it out. We're going to go ahead and call it a wrap, man. It's super hot. For those that don't know, this Texas heat and this humidity is no joke, y'all. So we're going to wrap it up. We out here in this creek. The mosquitoes are tearing us up. The heat is beating us down. And overall, we had a pretty good day over at the other spot. We got here. I want to say I had one little bite right here. I don't know if it was a bite or I was caught up on something, but it felt like a little bite. So it was what it was, y'all. Like I said, we're going to wrap it up. Man, thank you guys for tuning in. If you're new to the channel and you like today's episode, please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for us, y'all. Really appreciate it. Much love to Trace for coming out with us today and enjoying a day of fishing, y'all. So until next time, see y'all on the water. Let's go.